If you've been trying to get your first pull-up for weeks, maybe even months, and you're starting to think, maybe I'm just not strong enough, I want you to hear this. The problem usually isn't effort, and it definitely isn't that you're incapable. The real problem? A pull-up isn't one exercise. It's actually several different strength skills working together. And if just one of them is missing, your pull-up stays stuck. The good news? Today we're going to find your exact weak link. And once you know what's holding you back, your training becomes a lot simpler. Let's start with the first test. Grip strength. Jump up to a pull-up bar and simply hang. Nothing fancy, just hold your body weight. Can you stay there for at least 20 seconds? If your hands start slipping before then, don't worry. This is one of the most common weak points for beginners. And it's also one of the easiest to improve. Spend a few minutes practicing dead hangs several times per week. Think of grip strength as the foundation of your pull-up. Without it, the rest of your strength never gets a chance to work. Now here's where things get interesting. A lot of women actually have enough grip strength, but still can't pull themselves up. Which brings us to test number 2. Scapular control. This sounds technical, but it's really just your ability to control your shoulder blades. Start in a dead hang. Keep your elbows completely straight. Now gently pull your shoulders down and away from your ears. Then relax back into the hang. Can you do that smoothly for 10 repetitions? If not, this may be the missing link. Most people immediately focus on arms, but your shoulder blades create the stable foundation your pulling muscles need. Without that stability, everything feels harder. And this leads to another hidden problem, your core. Most people think pull-ups are all upper body. They're not. Your core is what connects everything together. Try a hollow body hold. Lie on your back. Press your lower back into the floor. Extend your arms overhead. Extend your legs. Can you hold that position for 30 seconds without your back arching? If not, start with easier hollow hold variations and build from there. Because during a pull-up, your body works best as one connected unit, not as separate pieces. Now we're getting close to the real breakthrough. The fourth test is top position strength. Jump or step up until your chin is above the bar. Then simply hold. Can you stay there for 5 seconds? If this feels impossible, that's completely normal. This position requires strength in a very specific range that many beginners never train. Band-assisted holds can help tremendously here. And if you use an underhand grip, you'll recruit more bicep strength as well. So what does all of this mean? It means your first pull-up probably isn't being blocked by everything. It's usually being blocked by one thing, one weak link. And once you identify that weak link, your progress becomes much more predictable. Here's a simple plan. 2 or 3 times per week, focus on the area where you scored lowest. Grip? Practice hangs. Scapular control? Practice scapular pulls. Core? Build your hollow hold. Top position weakness? Train assisted top holds. That's it. Simple, focused, systematic. And most importantly, sustainable. Because getting your first pull-up isn't about being strong everywhere. It's about not being weak anywhere. Some weeks you'll feel strong. Some weeks you'll feel stuck. That's part of the process. Keep showing up. Keep building those missing pieces. And one day, you'll jump to the bar, pull, and realize you're finally over it. Your first pull-up is closer than you think.